Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, AzraBeautyHub.com. I'm Rosina, I'm an Avon representative. Today I want to talk about the Avon PropoliThera collection for your hair care that Avon has. But before I do so, if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm also on other social media channels as well. I'm on Ticktock, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. You could also find me there in addition to YouTube. So also, if you're looking to become an Avon representative, you could also go to my website, click on Become an Avon Representative. It just takes 5 minutes for you to become an Avon representative for free. You do not have to pay for it. It's a limited time promotion. So if you have a thought about starting your own business, working from home, flexible hours, you want to spend more time with family, but don't have enough time to do so, Avon is probably the right business for you. Just look into it. If you have any questions, you can connect with me on my website. Send me a little message and let me know you have info, and if you have questions, you want info, and I'll be happy to reach out to you. So let's get back to it. So we're going to talk about the Avon PropoliThera collection. It's be goodness for your healthy looking hair. I have talked about some of the shampoos and conditioners in my past videos, but I want to talk about something in addition to those because I just got these products in one of my orders recently. So the Avon PropoliThera hair mask, I know I've tried it and I like it, but this is brand new, so I'm just gonna open this real quick to show you what it looks like. All right, it comes in this beautiful jar, okay, right here, as you can see, okay. It comes in this beautiful jar right here, all right. It's hair mask, it's rejuvenating hair mask, all right. So it's enriched with nutrients to help deeply nourish hair and mend split ends. So for those of you who have split ends, it's great for you. It is $15 right now, but you can also get a regular price sometimes. It could be $18, so you can find it on sale for $15, okay? So this is a great hair mask. You can use this in substitute for your hair conditioner. So if you're gonna use like a shampoo, like you're gonna use one of these shampoo lines, the PropoliThera shampoo lines. If you do not want to use a conditioner for once, you just want to do like a mask here and there, so you want to switch it up, you could actually use that as a conditioner. So the hair mask can also work as your conditioner as well. All right, so now the next product I want to talk about is the Avon PropoliThera hair oil serum. All right, let me just open that up real quick for you so you can see what it looks like. All right, so of course it comes with a pump, okay, and this is what it looks like. It's a rejuvenating hair oil serum, okay, all right, hopefully you can see that, all right, perfect. So this is actually, what does this do? So this helps strengthen, protect, moisturize, and smooth hair, and to add shine while styling. So for all you ladies who love to shine, you love the shine in your hair, you love to style your hair is what I really meant. This product is great to use before you curl or before you get those hair straighteners and the hair dryers in your hair. It helps protect your hair from all those other things. So you can find these products and much more on my website. You can also get these volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Let me show this to you real quick. All right, I have covered this in other videos, so you can check out my previous videos that I have posted before. Okay, here we go. Here's the shampoo and conditioner for the damage repair, which I love because I absolutely use this product and I love it. I can't wait to finish it and order more. All right, so what are these products? So these products are made from royal jelly. They're made from, and vitamin enriched propolis extract. They're made from the goodness of honey. So they're natural products. They're natural products. They have no sulfates, no parabens, which I know people love to hear that, for everybody who likes the products that are naturally derived. So you can find these products and many more at AzraBeautyHub.com. You can get leave-in conditioner, you can get volume spray, you can get the curl cream, You can get the Aloe Dual Active Hair Serum. I'm actually going to get the Curl Cream soon. It's on back order since it's on such high demand. So I can't wait to try that and use that on my hair. Hopefully do a video one of these days while I have that product on, so you can see what that looks like. Again, hair oil serum, hair mask, the damage repair collection, and the volume. You can get these products on my website. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. Have a great day and always keep smiling.